Hey guys, this is the unboxing of the iPhone XS Max in gold. The box shows a wallpaper that cleverly hides the notch, but the notch still exists. Just pointing that out. In the box you'll find the standard quick start guide, the SIM ejection tool, and of course the mandatory Apple stickers, so nothing different there. Next up is the iPhone itself, and wow, the gold on this looks stunning. I generally dislike gold a lot, but on the XS it looks amazing, probably because the glass back gives it a subtle gold look. You can notice the gold properly on its stainless steel sides, but aside from the colour, there's nothing new to show off in terms of design. You've got the same button placements and there's still a lightning connector intact, so no USB-C for iPhones just yet. Right, back to the unboxing. It looks like the standard items. You've got the power adapter, a set of earphones, which by the way no longer come with a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you will need to buy one separately if you don't already own one. And finally the lightning USB cable. It's a shame there's no fast charger in the box considering the cost of this extremely premium iPhone, but maybe next year. I hope you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out the review and thanks for watching.